Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Samir and I'm going to review on Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. So I have purchased this watch a couple of months before and I've been using this watch quite a while. And this particular unboxing is just for demonstration purpose. This is LTE version, that means you can enable your eSIM on this particular watch. Samsung released a Galaxy Watch 4 Classic in August 2021 and this watch is quite popular since last 3 years. It's because it's value for money and let's see how it looks. So this watch has a very premium look, and as you can see it's quite heavy, it's a metal built. The strap quality is quite nice, it's made of silicone, and as you can see it's quite smooth finish. Samsung has taken care to make this watch as comfortable as possible. The silicone quality is quite nice and it is quite skin friendly. It has a wireless charging, so let's switch on this watch and I will show you the details. So let's see what else do you get in the box. So inside the box you get this very good quality charging pad and it comes with approximately 1 meter length of the cable. And if you need to see the data specifications on the charging pad, this is 5 volt 1 ampere. Make sure that you connect it to the correct charger so that it doesn't affect the charging time. This watch takes approximately 1.5 hours to charge completely. And along with this you get this warranty card from Samsung. The magnetic strength of the charging pad is quite nice, it sticks very well. Now let me show you how does it look on the wrist. So this particular watch has a dial size of 3.46 centimeters, that is 1.4 inch main display. So once you wear this watch, you'll definitely feel the premium build quality of this watch. It is quite nice. It is quite heavy. This watch costed around 35 to 40,000 rupees in 2021. Since Samsung has released their latest smartwatches in the market, and that is the biggest reason for the price drop in this particular Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. So you can imagine you get the same watch which was costing around 35 to 40,000 rupees, and nowadays you can purchase this approximately 10,000 rupees on Amazon, and you can enjoy the same premium build quality of Samsung. Now let me show you the user interface of this watch. It is quite easy to navigate. It is user friendly. You can easily access your settings directly from the main screen. And this is basically a small mobile phone which you can wear on your wrist. If you are using a Samsung Galaxy phone, it is very same kind of a user menu which is given on this Galaxy watch. So as you can see, the user interface is very smooth. I can rarely see any lags. So this is the home screen. As you can see, you can access all the features from this home screen. And this particular watch is a LTE watch, that means it has integrated eSIM. That means you can access your contacts directly from your phone. As you can see from here, you can read your contacts from your phone and you can directly call them. Now because of the LTE feature, you don't have to stay connected to your phone using a Bluetooth. You can keep your phone at your home and you can just take this watch, you can wear it and you can receive phone calls, you can make calls. So this is the Play Store from where you can download various applications. I need to connect to the Wi-Fi connection first. So basically this watch is completely a package, and it allows you to communicate with others. It also has an internet browser. You can watch YouTube videos. This particular watch has very accurate biometric sensors, a blood pressure monitor and ECG. The sensors on this watch are very reliable and Samsung has not compromised on any of the sensors because I've seen there are a lot of cheap smartwatches available in the market which come below 5,000 rupees, and there are certain watches which use fake sensors. So you should always not rely on the sensors on the watch, but this particular Samsung watch really shows accurate information, so you can depend on it. I personally like the voice recorder on this particular Samsung watch. Now if you start the recording, and you can see you can minimize this application just by clicking the start stop button, and you can see it is running in the background. So you can open this by clicking directly on the main screen. You can start and stop the voice recording. So this comes handy whenever you want to record any communications without the other person knowing. You should not do that, but it is useful sometimes. In case if you're going out in the rain and if you're wearing this watch, please ensure that you enable this water lock feature. This will allow the watch to remain dry from inside, because even if the water enters accidentally, it will try to eject that water. This is done by simply vibrating the speaker, diaphragm, and the water is thrown out of this watch. Let me enable the Wi-Fi so that I can show you more features on this. Now after you enable this Wi-Fi, it will connect to your local router, and these are some other features. You can connect Bluetooth headphones. You can store music on this phone. It works like a portable music player. Now once you enable the Wi-Fi connections, you can open the Play Store, and all the activities which you normally do on your phone, same can be done on this watch itself. You can download watch faces, you can download applications, anything which you like. There are certain applications like YouTube. You cannot install YouTube on this phone because it is not compatible, but you can still watch YouTube videos if you download Internet Explorer on this watch. It's very interesting. And this is the location that pins the Google Maps. Now since I'm sitting indoors, so the GPS might not work correctly, but if you go out in the open, you can easily spot yourself on the Google Maps. So this is very important whenever you're driving, or if you're going on a bike ride, or if you're cycling. You can easily check your position. If you're going on a trekking, see all the maps are stored inside this inside this phone, and you just have to click on the location button and it can pinpoint your exact location. So this is very useful because it has inbuilt GPS. Now let me show you the LTE feature of this watch. Go to the connections from the settings, and here you can see there are multiple options. You have NFC contactless payment option on this watch. You can store your credit card information for making the payments, and you just scroll down and you will see mobile networks. Now this is connecting through your eSIM. So once you enable this feature on this watch, it becomes like a mobile phone. You can make calls, you can receive calls, you can send SMS. Basically, you don't have to carry your mobile phone anywhere. The LTE feature gives you the freedom for going out without your mobile phone. For example, if you're going out for a jogging, you don't have to carry your mobile phone with you because you are always connected. You can receive your calls, you can do anything, whatever you're doing from your mobile phone. Now let me show you the calling feature of this watch. I'm connected directly from LTE, so I'm not connected from a mobile phone using Bluetooth. So I'm dialing this number for testing purpose. Just to show you the speaker volume. You cannot expect much from a crowded region, but otherwise it has a decent volume. You should be able to make and receive calls without any problems.
Hi, welcome to View. मराठीमध्ये माहितीसाठी दाबा. हिंदी में जानकारी के लिए 2 दबाएं. To continue in English, press 3. For information about the View number you're dialing from, press 1.
So this side of this watch has this speaker, and at this side it has a microphone. And finally, you can change the watch faces. You can customize watch faces. You get a lot of options on this watch. The user interface is very smooth, as you can see, and you can change the dials according to your mode. So these are certain inbuilt watch faces given, but you can easily download it from Play Store. You can sync it from your Samsung app. So basically this is all about Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic LTE version. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.